Hi YouTube, I am coming to you about this lipstick that I have on right now. It is from MAC and it is the MAC Living Legend A64. It is like a darkish, purplish, brownish type color. It is my go-to color right now because it is fall and I think that it is very appropriate for this weather. I don't have any makeup or foundation or anything on right now. The only thing I have on right now is the lipstick, and I use some regular dollar store lip gloss to make it pop. Because I have bigger lips, I think that this is a look that I'll go to every day. This is actually my go-to color right now, and I use it just when days when I don't want to do the full face, when I just probably want to pop on some mascara and put this on and just go. So right now I am falling in love with this MAC color, and I just wanted to come to you today and tell YouTube that this is my new friend. Again, it is MAC Living Legend, and it looks like that, and the back looks like this. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, that's all I wanted. And as always, be you, be natural, be beautiful.